What's good, my people? What's good, YouTube? It's about John. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, please like and subscribe. This is going to be my first video on this channel. Like, serious, I've been planning to make like a record for a very long time, but I just feel like I'm being lazy, but I just decided to do this now. Okay, now if you're watching this video, please like and subscribe, guys. Now, what do I do here? I want to start documenting my journey as a trader here, sharing my wins and loss, what I've been through all this while for a very long time. I've been in this game for a very long time, but there's nothing to show for it yet. That is actually the news, man. You have to be in the game for a very long time. I never knew it's going to be like this. Like when I came into this space, I never knew I would go 4 or 5 years and still be broke. It's crazy, right? Yeah, but that is the facts, man. That is the facts as a trader. That is one thing you should know. Nobody will tell you this. You have to learn it yourself. You have to know this yourself. Nobody will tell you. Look, your mentor will just come and tell you, pay for 1 month mentorship, and I'll give you whatsoever. I will give you the holy grail strategies that will make you profitable in 1 month. That is bullshit. They're lying to you. Alright, they are fucking lying to you, guys. You just have to be wise on now. There is a trade running right now, and I want to share my insights on what I'm looking at for this week. And today is Monday already. You can see today is Monday already. I'm currently in on a trade, and I took this trade. It was last week after the Fed release, and the trade was on gold. So, guys, let me show you guys what I'm trying to say. Guys, let me show you on my screen. Now, this is the setup. This is the trade. All right, and it's good. It's good. I don't like trading gold. All right, it's been a very long time I traded gold, but I just decided to hop in on this opportunity when I saw it last week, and trust me, the trade is looking very nice. Okay, so what do I see here? I saw this push to the upside, a correction, then this sharp impulse. So a little correction. I went in here. My first entry was around 1:3. You can see this was the first entry, 1:3. Okay. I had two position open on this account, two position, and this was the first position right there, and it's 1:3. So after that, the market pulled down again to this level. So I added another position, and this second position is giving me 1:5. So look at where I'm looking to take profit here. I'm looking to take profit here. This place here, this level here is a delicate level, so I'll be looking to close our position around here. This level also, there's something fishy about this level. Okay, so I'll be looking out for this level. If I see something that I don't like, if price get to this level and I see something that I don't like, I'm going to close on this position. All right, so let me show you what I'm looking at for on Euro USD and GBP USD. Euro USD is pretty much the same thing, pretty much the same thing. Okay, let me zoom out for you to see. Okay, uh, this market has been consolidating all this while. I took an entry here, I get stopped out. I had, I think, two entry here. I get stopped out. That's why I put this X. Anywhere I had a losing trade, I mark it as X. That means that was a losing trade. All right, this is a Euro USD. Now let's go to what I was looking at for last week. I was looking out for this correction to push to 50% before pushing to the upside. It didn't happen. The correction they pushed to the 50% didn't happen. Then the Fed release pushed the market to the upside. Now what I'm looking at for this week, and it's already playing out. What I'm looking at for this week is this level here. Let me put it well for you to see. When price was here, I was looking out for a push to the downside, all right, to at least this 50%. And as you can see, price is already at that level right now. at that level right now. But I won't take any entry position right now because it's already 5 o'clock in my country, so I don't want to take any position here. Rather, I'll wait for tomorrow to see what is going to happen to this position, to this trade. If there's any extra confirmation again, all right. If there is any extra confirmation, then I'm going to take this trade right away from here because I've seen all setup. I've seen all clue has been made. The price has pulled back to 50%, almost 50%. That's broken so many structure to the upside. All right, so push to the upside, a correction. That's what I trade. I'm looking to take this trade this week here, right? Look to take this trade here. Then I'll be looking to take my TP. If I thought the trade is played out as I was anticipating it, then I'll be looking to take my TP here. And this level is a delicate level. That's why we're looking to take my TP there. Now, let me show you another setup, which is GBP USD. Almost similar thing. You know, Euro USD and GBP USD, they are positively correlated. If you have been trading, you should know that they are positively correlated. This is GBP USD, as you can see. This GBP USD. I took a sell entry here and I got stopped out. I didn't mark it out. Maybe after this video, I'm going to put my X there. So I got stopped out. So when the price was here, all right, I was anticipating price to touch here. It's a very delicate level, okay, for me. That's anywhere you see a rectangle, anywhere you see a rectangle on my channel, there's a delicate level for me that I'm looking out for. So I was looking for this market to push all the way from there to this rectangle, then push to the upside, and it did. But I don't want to take an entry here because of what the Fed release, the news release, push to the upside. Now, what am I looking out for here? The same thing, the same thing over and over again. Okay, let me zoom out. Sorry. Now, when the trade was here, I was looking for a correction to at least 50% level, and it hasn't gotten to 50% level here. So once this trade get there, there's a probability that it might not get there because of the Euro USD, which is almost close to 50%. So the probability of this trade getting here is somehow low. I don't know. I don't know. But once the trade gets here, I'll either choose between the two pair, which one I want to take between Euro USD or GBP USD. So look at where I'm looking to take my TP from this rectangle level, and this rectangle level is also a delicate level that I'll be looking to take profit because it has always been tested so many times. If you look back, you'll see it has been tested so many times. So I don't want to go back because to make this video long. So I don't want this video to be long. Let me take out this line. Sorry. Okay, I'm taking out that arrow to make my chart look more visible for you to see. So what I'm looking out for here is for price to push to this level to 50%, then I'll take an entry. All right, so anticipating the push to the upside. So those are the setup I'm looking out to take for this week. What's good, YouTube? How you doing today? Today's Tuesday, by the way. A lot of things has happened lately during the night. Currently, this London section, and a lot of my trade has been validated. A lot of my setup rather has been validated, and some has already given me an entry, guys. So I just make this video to show you what I'm currently looking at for. Let me show you on the screen. All right, guys, this is the good setup. This is the good setup. Already my stop loss has been to break even, but I missed out this opportunity because I was looking for a correction to happen, and it did happen, but I missed out this opportunity because I was way asleep. um this is a London section currently. You can still look at the time, still London section, but I missed out this opportunity. So I've already set a limit order here. Maybe I might be triggered because due to my strategy, there's a possibility that this price here might retrace down to take this low. So let's see what is going to happen. My buy limit is already there. My stop loss is here. So if we get trigger, luckily if we get trigger, this is going to be the only trade I will take for this week, guys. Remember, I trade once or twice in a week. I don't take much trade, one or two trade in a week because I'm not a day trader, right? So that's why I trade like that. Now let me show you what happened on GBP USD and Euro USD. As you can see, this Euro USD, I wasn't expecting price to break my channel line. All right, I was expecting price to respect this channel line, then push to the upside. But guess what happened? Price came down, broke this channel line, came down. So this is an invalidation for me. I'm looking for something else now. So I'm not going to take any of this trade. I'm not going to take this trade for this week. So that is it. Let me show you Euro. Let me show you GBP USD. Now this is the GBP USD. Fortunate enough, price came correct all down to our 50 to 60% fib level. But what happened? It broke this our channel line, which served as an invalidation level for us. So there's no trade taking here either. You can see this GBP USD. So the only trade I'm looking to enter for this week again is this gold setup. If we are lucky enough for price to push down, maybe during the near section, for price to push down super this low, you can see maybe price might come down, take this low. So my buy limit is already there, guys. So let's see what price does. I've already reduced my stop loss to break even. My stop loss now is already at break even. So this trade is risk free. So we're expecting price to come down, take us in, then start going up. But however, if price doesn't come down, then I'll have no choice than to close out this limit order, guys. So I'm going to update you guys, just stick to. All right, so I bring you an update on my account and updates on the trade I'm in right now on gold. Remember that buy limit I told you guys about? Yeah, it has been triggered and there is a kind of movement that is going on there right now in which I don't like. I want to share with you guys. I don't know if I should close the trade now or I should still hold. I think I'm still going to hold on to that trade here. I will hold on to it because there's a possibility that there's a high probability that that trade is going to hit my TP like serious, but there's a key level there that's marked out and the trade has already tested that level. And the kind of reaction that is happening there right now, I don't like. So that is why I'm contemplating if I should close the trade or I should just leave the trade running. Since my stop loss is already unbreakable, it's a risk-free trade for now. So I don't really know what to do with Shell, but let me show you what I mean on the screen, guys. All right, guys, here's the goal setup. The goal setup told you about. You can see price came back and took me in. So went in 1:1. And now what is happening here? I don't like it. That's why I told you that there's a probability that price might come back to my entry or even take me out because I can see this price might come back and take me out and this is where my stop loss or my stop loss are. I've reduced all my stop loss to this level, so that is why I'm contemplating if I should close the trade or not. But I don't think I'm going to close the trade anyway. So I have like three positions running on this account. This is the first position here. I entered somewhere here, the first position. You can see I entered the first position here. So price dropped. I still enter again. Now this is the third position over here. And now price is giving me a clue that there will be a drop. All right. There will be a drop probably today. Today is Wednesday. As you can see, the market is dropping rapidly from my point here. You can see it's dropping. So my strategy is telling me that there's going to be a drop down. All right, to at least maybe 50% of this fib level, then start pushing up or it might even come to 60%. So if this price come to 60%, it is going to take me out. So let's see what is going to happen though. But I'm not going to close out on this trade. I think I'll hold up to this trade and see. And this is where I'm looking to take our position. Yeah, yeah, this rectangle. I'm looking to take position on this rectangle because this level here is a place I'm looking to close our position. And remember, I told you guys that there's also a high chance that price might retrace from here, as you can see. Price went very close to there and it started retracing. So I'm not closing on this trade though. I'm still holding to it because I'm a swing trader. Let's see what the market has for us for this week. Let's see what this gold setup is going to do. Because due to my strategies, this is one, two, and this is one. They're going to be two, then we'll push to the upside. All right. So that's what I'm looking at for. But I just hope and pray this market doesn't come down and take me out before going up, because there's a high probability that it might come down and take me out. All right. Before going up. Remember, I told you my stop loss is here. Let's see how it's going to play out. I'll update you guys. I'll update. Don't worry, guys. I'll update. Today's Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. So I'm probably going to update. And this is the only trade I took for this week. I only trade once or twice in a week. So this is the only trade. All right. What's good? What's good, my people? What's good, YouTube? It's the boy John Dada again. If you are joining me for the first time, please like and subscribe. Today is Thursday, by the way, and I just took only one trade for this week, and which is gold. Yeah, a two gold trade, and this one is to three, and the trade is running in profit right now. It's almost close to my TP. And also, I want to give you an update that I missed out on GBP USD and Euro USD for this week. I just missed out. I don't know why. But it's good though. In a week, I only trade once or twice in a week. So if I mix out on them, it's not a bad week for me. All right, because one trade is already in profit and it's running close to 1:3 right now. Guys, it's a good week for me. Today's Thursday. Today's Thursday, and I'm already in profit. No loss for this week. And let me show you what I mean on the screen, guys. All right, guys, what is good, guys? This is the gold setup. This is the gold setup. This two entering was for Friday last week after the Fed meet release. Price push up. Now, this is for this week. I set my limit order here, my buy limit. Price was triggered and start pushing up. You can see we are very close to TP. This is our TP here. This section, but although I'm still anticipating price to push up, but I don't want to be greedy. I don't want to be greedy at all. So I will take all my position here. Whatever price wants to do, it should do. But you can see we are close to the TP already. And this trade here, right here, this week trade is 1:3. All right, this week's trade is 1:3, and this last week trade also, this first entry is 1:3, the second entry is 1:5. So that is how it is, guys. So let me show you guys Euro USD and the GBP USD, how I missed out on them. You can see this is GBP USD. Okay, this is GBP USD. If you notice, when the price was out, I was anticipating the price is going to drop, but the kind of correction that happened here, I didn't like it, so I have to readjust my analysis. The price gets to this level. When the price get to this level, I was anticipating a sell. The sell did happen, but it did not get to my 50% flip, so there's no trade opportunity for me to take. That is why I missed out on this. There's also a high clue that this correction is not done yet. We might still see price come down to clear this level and probably get us to this 50% level we are looking for. Then if that happen next week or this week, because today is already Thursday, tomorrow is Friday. If that happen tomorrow, or on Monday is bank holiday. So if that happened this week or next week, we'll be looking to take an opportunity, a buy opportunity for here, from here to the upside. But if it doesn't happen, then we'll skip that one. That means we have missed out on this entry. I didn't take an entry here. I wanted to take an entry after this channel line is broken, this upper boundary is broken, but the broke of the upper boundary happened outside some trade, and I don't want to just jump into the trade like that. So I just allowed the trade to move. That means I saw it when it was broke, but I just allowed the trade to move Now let me show you Euro USD, guys. Now this is Euro USD. Same thing. I saw this move from here. When this price broke this middle channel line, it was an opportunity, a clue for me to look for a buy opportunity, but I hesitate. The reason why I hesitate, it's also happened outside my trading session. All right, so I don't want to just jump into a trade outside my trading session. So I just allowed the trade. So when the trade was here, I was looking for a push to the upside, then a correction back to 50% level. As you can see, my fib level there, but the correction did happen, but it did not get to that level. So we also miss out on this opportunity, this euro opportunity. You can see price is moving and it has already left us. So there's nothing we can do for that, guys. What's good, YouTube? How are you doing today? Welcome to my channel. Today is Friday, by the way, and currently making this video at night because I need to post this video on Saturday. All right, so once I give you an update on my account on the trade I'm being into, that bot setup I told you about, yeah, that's finally hit TP, and I already made 5% on the account. Remember, I took three entry. What I did on the screen, I put into the screen. I have three open position on that account. So it finally hit TP today, which is Friday, and I'm currently up 5%. I'm not up 5% yet, but at least I currently made 5% up on that account. Now let me show you what I mean on the screen, guys. And I'm currently in also on GBP USD. I finally took an entry on GBP USD. I saw a perfect entry and I set my limit order and it got triggered. So I'm currently in on GBP USD for a swing trade also, guys. Now let me show you on the screen, guys. All right, guys, welcome, guys. This is a gold setup. This is a gold trade I took since last week. This entry was from last week, and this entry was for this week. You can see price push up to our TP. You can see it on the screenshot there. I'll put the screenshot for you to see. You can see. Now I'm expecting a correction down to this rectangle level, then push up, guys. Now let me show you guys. I'm currently in on the GBP USD, guys. Let me show you on the screen. Alright, guys, this is the GBP USD trade. As you can see, I was expecting price to push to 50 level. It didn't happen, push up. So when I saw this drop, I set my limit order here at this 50% level, and it got triggered. And you can see price push up. So I'm expecting this trade next week to at least push to this level here, at least this this rectangle level here, and I'm looking at 1:5 on this trade. As you can see on the screen, it's 1:5 trade. So now this is the GBP USD trade, guys. So let's see how it's going to play out for next week.